Good morning. I love the consistency for me. Say good morning, husband.
Let's go. Medium?
Well, go on.
Small, medium, large?
A medium, man.
Still asleep. Where's he?
Happy Vlogmas Day.
Jada, you want sugar?
Yeah, I want you. They have Splenda. 3. No. Like people always want to tell you what to do, how to do it. Today is Vlogmas Day what? Okay.
Say it go. Another day.
Vlogmas Day what?
Right.
Vlogmas Day 5?
All people stay alive.
So we're in a breakfast spot. Well, first of all, if you are just clicking on this video, thank you for clicking on this video. Make sure you go look at my other videos. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. I'm your girl, Shade Boo. Thank you for clicking and being curious. You clicked on the right time because it is December Vlogmas month. So this is the best month gonna be. Well, it is already. Get me on my mom.
Damn, Sherry, I read already.
What one you want to drink with this one?
He's watching his figure.
Only because y'all going to Jamaica.
Yeah, you know.
Big back, big back, big. What I got? This is a medium. So what the small look like? Now I gotta go.
No, no medium. It's just medium and large.
Oh, okay. I always go in that side. It say exit too.
It's just entrance.
Oh. We in TJ Maxx, y'all. We just left out of. I just need. I'm looking for a suitcase. I don't want to be distracted by nothing else. But then I'll be done spent my money, and then I'll be like, babe, can you buy the suitcases? After I gave my word and said I'll do it. See what happens when you open your big mouth? She's trying to be. I'm in Marshalls, y'all. This bag is too much to be holding. Man, they be, y'all, they be dressed like they are in the army. Security up in here.
You can just send them to the front of the store and help them recover the toy area over here.
Excuse me, where's your luggage?
Luggage is going to be all the way in the back by home on the right side.
Okay, thank you.
Elena, let's go back up.
I wonder if TJ Maxx and Marshall is related. They must be. Because they kind of... I'm about to get my baby a pair of sneakers and JA. Some little slip-on. Oh, because you know what? They still have a, what you call it in Jamaica? Because I see people go there. Payless. They have a Payless in Jamaica. What's wrong with Payless? Hear him. I'm going to get him a pair of shoes out of there. Yo, it's crazy in here. Excuse me. Aww. Let's see. Section. So you gotta keep asking people. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
I was just got this. We just got the car. Oh, man, I would have ran over this. I just got this.
Where you came out of? Where did we leave off?
First, the Araucania region of Chile experienced a severe windstorm that caused significant damage.
We were inside Marshall's, no TJ Maxx, and we were looking for suitcases because I wanted a 32 inch. I didn't find one for myself, but we found one for a husband, and it's a big suitcase. And it actually is perfect for the amount of stuff that he's bringing. Because I realized that the stuff that my husband is packing, it's, how do you say it? Like, I have like little shorts, t-shirt. Yeah, the stuff he's bringing is thicker than the stuff that I'm bringing. My stuff is very like light, dainty, because I was able to pack all of my clothes. I'm not gonna lie, it's like 16 outfits in I think that's a 24 inch suitcase. So I wouldn't be able to pack his stuff in the suitcase that I got my stuff in. Of his clothing is very, very thick. So, what's that? Look. What is happening? What the hell? Strange things be happening in the world. I don't know. But we found him one. And I still was going to go look for a suitcase, a 32 inch. But I just said forget it. Because there are other suitcases in here. I do have a 28 inch in here. I just was trying to eliminate bringing a carry-on onto the plane. Because I just want to be with nothing in my hand, honestly. But it's fine. Because the carry-on is small, so no big deal. But tomorrow is Vlogmas day 6. And, right? Tomorrow's the 6th. And tomorrow I'm gonna show you guys some of the things that I ordered that I'm gonna be taking with me to Jamaica. If there's something left I have to get, I mean, I could get it when I get there, but you're gonna need sunscreen. You need that, guys. It's important. Like, even if you're not like on the beach, you still need the SPF. It's important, even just for your skin in general. My husband cannot be in nobody's sun like that. But me, I could be in the sun for hours. So before I was lacking vitamin D. I don't think I'm lacking any of that now, but if I am, I'm about to get me some good old sun. And oh, I do have to get me some headphones.
On July 27th,
Greg, no, we don't play about our food.
completely
Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys because I have a few days left. And yeah, and I'm trying to figure out.
The area along the Gucci Canal in Pakistan saw
I gotta get a wig.
floods. On July 27th,
So the only thing left really for me to do for myself would be my eyebrows, my toes,
a landslide in Yangshan Gorge
let me
Mountain,
see, what
China
else?
in late July.
Oh, and you know, the girly stuff, hair removal stuff. Yeah. I gotta get my waxing going on.
Italy occurred on
Yeah,
August
so
4th, 2024.
yeah.
Soraya, where you get it from?
I love you. You going to Jamaica?
Your hat matches your sweater.
I know.
Your camouflage.
Western Illinois on July 30th.
Okay, I love you guys. This is Vlogmas day number 5.
Mommy, can
And
we
yeah,
have a popsicle?
Oh, I also
Oh boy.
I saw Judge Mathis today. I know a crackhead when I see one. I saw him today. He was shopping in Marshall's. And he said hello. So, suited and booted. But, yeah.
Sparks continuously appear during
So,
a powerful tornado
till
in Guangzhou on the morning
tomorrow.
of July 28th.